Greetings everyone. Today we will do question number 2 of exercise 5.1, and the question number 2 is, give a definition for each of the following terms. Are there other terms that need to be defined first? What are they and how they might you define them? So first of all, the first define is parallel lines. How will you define parallel lines? See, two lines are said to be parallels if they don't have a common point. Okay, if they do not have any common point, that means they do not intersect, then they are said to be parallel lines. So two lines are said to be parallel lines if they do not have a common point. That is, they do not intersect each other. Okay, if they are not intersecting each other, then they means they are parallel. Second is perpendicular lines. Now, what are perpendicular lines? See, two lines are said to be perpendicular to each other if they make an angle of 90 degree with each other. Okay, two lines are said to be perpendicular if they make an angle of 90 degree with each other. For example, this line L and M, they are making an angle of 90 degree, so they are perpendicular lines. Third is line segment. What is a line segment? See, what is a line segment? A line segment is a part of line. See, this is a line L, and if we take this part of the line having two endpoints, okay, this is the part of the line L, and it has two endpoints that is called as AB. So this part will called as line segment AB. So what is a line segment? A line segment is a part of a line that has two fixed endpoints. Okay? So this line segment AB can be denoted as AB, and we can put this line here. Okay, so this AB will become line segment that is a part of the line N. Next is part 4 is radius of a circle. What is radius of a circle? Now see, radius of a circle is the line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle. See, P is any point on the circle, and if I join this point with the center, then this OP will become the radius of the circle. So what is radius of the circle? It is the line segment joining center of the circle to any point on the circle. Fifth, last is square. What is a square? Okay. You know square is what? A square is a polygon that is made up of 4 equal line segments. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 line segments that are equal to one another. Okay. So a square is a polygon that is made up of 4 line segments, 4 equal line segments, and all of its angles are right angle. Okay. A square is a polygon. A square is a polygon made up of 4 equal line segments and each angle of which is 90 degree is called a square. Okay. So these are some definitions that are given in the question. Okay. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.